Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. Today I'm going to do general reading. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances. Then we will see love messages. Sagittarius fire sign. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So recent, past, present, future. And your present energy, Queen of Wands, under the deck, Nine of Swords. So Sagittarius, you have a lot of passion towards your work and you're investing energy on yourself. But some of you are overthinking here. Don't overthink guys, okay? First you need to come out of this energy because this is very, very toxic. Yes, focus on yourself. Focus on your passion. And Seven of Pentacles, maybe right now lots of you are waiting for your success. Maybe you're doing consistent hard work for a long period, you're waiting for success. Recent past, Knight of Swords with Nine of Cups. In recent past, wish fulfillment, your wish was fulfilled in recent past and you were happy, things moved smoothly and fastly in recent past. So everything was fine in recent past. Present, you are suffering because Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords and Seven of Cups. So present you are feeling stuck, you are in some confusion, you are overthinking. So present you are feeling stuck. And some of you, maybe you have options in career wise or business wise, but you don't know which one you have to choose. You literally feeling stuck, Sagittarius. And future, Four of Wands and Eight of Cups. In future, definitely stability will come. But after getting stability or success, you need to celebrate your success. And Eight of Cups means you want to walk away from something that doesn't serve you anymore. It could be the thing, situation or a person. So in future, maybe you will walk away from something. So I want to clarify Eight of Cups here. See, you will, right now also you are waiting for the right time. You are waiting for your time. When the time comes, you will show your real strength. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. See, waiting game again, you are waiting definitely. So and some of you are thinking for something big also because Seven of Pentacles and Page of Wands means again you want to start something new. This is the right time, okay? And Seven of Wands, this is the high time. You need to take care of yourself, you need to take stand for yourself. And if you involved in some competition, give your 100%. Definitely there is a chance for winning. And the Tower, so if you're going through a tower moment, it's a temporary, okay? Don't overthink. And it is worth waiting for. Definitely will get success, okay? But don't give up. You are almost there. Don't give up, Sagittarius. If you are doing something, don't give up. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts, your current thoughts, your person present energy, your present energy under the deck, Knight of Wands. So Sagittarius, Page of Swords. Definitely your person is spying you on social media. Some of you are in separation or no contact situation. If you are in relationship, the relationship is on and off right now because your person is juggling Two of Pentacles and they are feeling stuck and they are thinking about communication for sure. But right now they are spying you. They're watching you secretly. They're keeping an eye on you and they are juggling right now. So they need some time or they need some space to get more clarity here. And your present energy is Three of Wands. So you are expecting progress here. And lots of you are in long distance here, living in different cities, states, or countries. Five of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and Knight of Swords. Yes, you also waiting for communication. You also want to communicate with your person. Five of Pentacles means missing your person, feeling ghosted. You are in so much pain right now because Ten of Swords with Five of Pentacles. You are thinking that your person is not giving you enough attention. They intentionally ghosting you. They intentionally not replying your messages. You are in this thought process. But you really want to communicate with your person. Here some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy. And some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. And some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign. So let's see your person next action. Ten of Pentacles, Temperance, and Five of Cups. See, your person is being very, very patient right now. They're thinking about pros and cons. At the same time, your person is thinking about stability, long term. Maybe they walked away from this relationship in recent past. Now they're thinking about reconciliation because they're really missing you a lot. I want to clarify Five of Cups here. See, they're losing their nights over you. They're literally missing you. And they really want to have a reconciliation with you. But I'm not seeing immediate action from their end. Some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed. Ace of Swords, Three of Swords, and Knight of Wands. So clarity, missing each other, have passion, and want to reconcile with each other. So let's see. Yeah, definitely things will get better. I'm seeing reconciliation energy because Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Four of Wands. Definitely it's not over. You both will end up together. But divine timing or patience will be the key here because things moving very, very slowly in this relationship. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. Strength. You have to be emotionally very, very strong. You have enough power to deal with any situation that is coming towards you. Some of you are dealing with Leo fire sign and you need to focus on yourself. You need to master your craft. No matter what, Sagittarius, you need to invest time only on yourself and focus on your creative side and focus on your inner child, like healing issues. If you have any healing issues, heal your inner child. Okay, so let's say energy oracle messages. Angel of love. So love yourself first. Your angels has your back, Sagittarius, but love yourself first. Indecision. So some of you right now, you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make. So take your own time, then make your decision. And angel of balance, you need to balance your feelings and emotions, and your angels has your back. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming something big, first you have to have faith, okay? Believe in yourself. Then show the world the real you. So don't hide your feelings and emotions. So show the feelings as they are, okay? And a time for healing, definitely for those who are having anxiety and depression issues. So this is the time for healing. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you.